at the Hampton Inn, Tampa Rocky Point. A little ways away from the airport. We're gonna take a look at a king-size room. We're right inside the door, so if I spin around, in front of us is the door. You of course got your peephole, fire map, safety information, and everything. Next to the door, we have a light. And in front of us is the bathroom. We've got two light switches down here. One of those is for the bathroom light. The other one over here controls the fan. You've also got two outlets, a giant mirror, hello, and plenty of counter space. Above the sink, you have some towels. And down here you have the hair dryer in this bag, as well as some spare toilet paper if needed. A wastebasket. Of course you got your toilet over here. And you got a big walk-in shower. Next to the shower, right inside the door, you got two hooks for towels or whatever you might want to hang up there. Heading out of the bathroom, we've got this sliding door that once it slides all the way across can close off the bathroom. And next to that is your closet. Behind the closet, you have another giant mirror. Again, hello. And heading into the room, right in front of us, we have a desk where I have my backpack hanging out. Below that desk, you have two ottomans that can be used to sit on. You have your TV. Below the TV, you've got your microwave, ice bucket, and cups on the shelf down here. And this cabinet hides the mini fridge. The opposite cabinet has three drawers. So you got plenty of storage. On this side of the TV, you got a coffee machine and assorted coffee and tea. Continuing over, you have another work desk with a lamp and another mirror. You got your PC controls over here. Window, which currently it is dark outside, so there's no view. A nice lounger chair here with the lamp that could presumably be used for reading. You got your first nightstand with your phone and alarm clock. Some more outlets. And a little table. And then of course got the main feature of the room. You got your big king-size bed. On the other side of the bed, there's a little thermostat up here that really doesn't do anything because the air is controlled on the AC unit over in the corner. Have your second nightstand with lamp. And another little bedside table if needed. Pretty simple, but it gets the job done. And what more do you need? All right, this has been a look at the Hampton Inn, Rocky Point in Tampa, Florida. Of course, if you like the content, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Don't forget to ring the bell to stay up to date with all of my latest adventures. And until next time, this is Matt signing off. Have a good one.